In this video, I'll show you where to find the OBD port and the VIN number on a 2006 Dodge Caliber. First, let's start with the OBD port. The OBD port is located in a standard position, under the steering wheel on the left side, at the lower part of the dashboard. There are no covers or panels. The OBD connector is directly visible. Now let's move on to the VIN number. On this car, the VIN number can be found in 3 different locations. The first location is on the strut tower when you open the driver's side door. In my case, the VIN sticker there is worn out. However, on the opposite side, in the same location, you will also find the same VIN sticker. The second location is behind the windshield, at the bottom corner. And the third location is again on the strut tower, but this time on the passenger side. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.